What up, YouTube? So today is going to be part 3 of the Meyer Minx build, K24, and pretty much showing you guys what we didn't have on camera, or we haven't showed you guys yet. So we pretty much got the rear mocked up for the mount, and right now we're working on suspension. So I forgot to start filming that, but we're getting that going right now, and trying to get this figured out, and pretty much making our custom lower control arm from the stock, and then we're gonna be working on the top very soon, so we can get this pretty much set. If we figure out what we can do on this side, then we can do it to the other. And once that's done, then we can get this actually rolling, and then figure out what we're gonna do next. Probably get the ECU, wiring, and a couple other things to start getting it ready to start up. We're gonna need to get a custom gas tank in here as well, and battery tray, and a lot of other stuff. So right now we're gonna get this all pretty much welded up, and then we'll come back to show what we're gonna do next. All right, guys, so we pretty much got this side mocked up, and what we're gonna do is probably run a little tie rod to an adjuster right here, so it won't basically move left to right. It's gonna play like just pretty much just, it's not gonna have any steering. So we'll get that all locked in. But as far as the axle and everything, pretty straight. Like I said, this is just a concept right now. We're probably gonna change up a little things on here, but as far as it getting mounted in and actually rolling, yeah, that's how it's pretty much gonna look. So we'll come back, we'll show you the other side, and then that'll pretty much be it for this video. Alright guys, so we're back now, and we got the suspension mocked up. So this is how it's gonna look so far. We still got some adjustments and stuff we gotta do, but it is finally rolling, at least on the RSX suspension and everything. So this is how it's gonna look, guys. We got a lot of work still to do, and we want to make some more custom things and reinforce it, and a lot more things we got to do, obviously plumbing and everything, but just to actually see this thing actually roll, I gotta take the tires off from the center. But yeah, pretty much ready to roll. Now we can go over everything we got to do, finish welding up everything, and then we'll drop the motor, get everything, make sure it's clean, and then we'll paint it, drop the motor back in, and then we'll start getting on the wiring. And yeah, this thing still needs a lot of work, but just to see it on the ground by itself feels like an accomplishment, because yeah, this thing literally, it was a mess. So other than that, guys, that's probably just going to be it for this video. It's a pretty short video, but yeah, I just want to show you guys that it is basically ready to go. Next video, you'll see it rolling, and we'll start on getting on the wiring and figuring out where we're going to put the battery, some more reinforcement, and figure out the exhaust. We want to run a nice exhaust on here. A lot of stuff, so pretty much we're ready. Other than that, stay tuned, guys. If you haven't, like, share, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys on the next video.